name's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys like this really simple basic makeup look I've been doing a lot lately. I already have my eyebrows done. I just kind of fill them in a little bit with brow pencil. So without further ado, let's get started. Wait, does it go this way or that way? I don't know. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
When the rest of me is down.